Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to change the age preferences in Tinder PC. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type tinder.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Let's try to change the age preferences. At the top right, here's your profile. Simply click on it. Then this page will open up. Do note that you can edit your profile. That's your info from right here. I'm simply going to scroll down. Once you've scrolled down, in the discovery settings page, you'll see something like age preferences. Right here is the slider. You can experiment with it. That is, you can change the age. As you can see, I'm setting up the age right here. And do note that you have the option to only show people in this age range. I'm gonna turn it on. And guys, that's it. That's how you change the age preferences in Tinder. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.